Hello, welcome back. More pattern tips. Right, so I did 2 pattern tips for Chonji. There is a load more I could have done, but the more tips I give up on that is more going towards black belt level, which is where they get really finicky and picky. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to make sure the tips that I'm giving for the patterns I'm doing are all relevant to the grades that are learning them. Yeah, I don't want to confuse an orange belt with giving them a brown belt tip or like really picky detail. They're not especially necessary. Yeah, if you're up in the brown belts, you will have heard the finicky details by that point anyway. Should really be doing them. Okay, but we always want to make sure we've got our guys improving step by step. Yeah, but all these little videos, they're going to be relevant tips for the grades that learn them. Okay, so for Tangun, which we're moving on to now, second category in our syllabus, I'm going to start with an easy one, which is going to be another stance change, the same as I did with Chonji. Okay, remember, okay, we start in our high fold for our knife block. First move we do into our back stance, and then this backhand goes rib to punch, and it is a face punch and it is a stance change. Considering this is only the second pattern, that is quite a lot of detail in one movement that you've got to kind of figure out early on. Okay, so I'll recap very slowly. High fold, back stance knife block, my backhand is on my rib. When I go to move, I'm going to go from back stance into front stance, and this backhand is going to touch my rib first. Okay, I'm not punching from my chest. Yeah, it's too short. I want to recoil it so I've got maximum drive, power, and momentum. Yeah? So, once I'm here, as soon as I push off from the ground, my back foot will propel me forwards. This will recoil, it will close so it's ready, and then I will step and lunge punch. Okay, so I'm going to go here, one in, one out, face punch, nose height, Chonji punches, belly, Tangun punches, face. Okay, and I do that one more time, just one more, just so you can see everything. I might even do it slow motion, why not? Okay, hands up, back stance, slow, here, recoil and close, step, front stance, one, face punch. Okay, it gets tricky as you got the patterns, I know, but certain details need to be in place. Okay, I don't want people just having wishy-washy stances and sort of going, it's a back stance-ish, it's a front stance-ish, yeah, and just being lazy with their hands, just going, oh, we'll stick that there and just plonk a hand. Yeah, detail. The detail is where you get maximum points at gradings, and it doesn't half make your life easier as you go up the gradings when you end up with Tangun as like a backup catter or something. Okay, be real detailed. Get it in as early as possible. Yes, so if you're learning Tangun, you want to think big fold, back stance, knife block, recoil, front stance, face punch. Yeah, there's 6-7 details there just at the basic point, let alone finicky foot positions, width distances, length distances, angle of this, straight forearms, yeah, all the little bits, you know, body angle, things like that. It all comes into place, but they're fiddly little details that you learn as you go up the grades a little bit, and you just put a bit of finesse on. Okay, but the basic details we want in place. Okay, so be neat, real neat. Okay, that's first detail for Tangun. Enjoy.